well, coming to you again. Another Airbnb apartment tour on vacation in Bajormi. This apartment, Airbnb apartment, is actually located in LIKANI, which is about 10 minutes walking from LIKANI to Bajormi, the city center. Not far. I walked there. It's pretty cool. So check out this video tour. The Airbnb is costing us roughly $29 per night. We've been here for. You can hear the dogs barking right now. We've been here for about 2 days, and we're heading to another spot that we found on Booking.com. But in the meantime, check out this Airbnb, true one bedroom place. We have a private veranda slash. It's not a balcony, so a veranda enclosed. So that's pretty cool. We get to chill and sip on some wines. Got a table there. I'm sitting on like a little bench. If you can see that. But anyhow, enjoy this, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Hit the notification bell to get notified of any and all future unfiltered travel videos. All right, ladies, peace. That is an extra bed. So if you have more than 2 people here, you can have more than 2 people in the unit. Quite spacious. We enjoyed our time here. We spent 2 days. We're off to our other location in the city center. So that's it. It was well worth it. Cable, American channels. So that was pretty cool. All right, babe. What do you think about this place? Would you rent it again?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was well worth it. Great location. Great location. Yeah, that's it. We actually enjoyed it. All right. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit me up in the comments. Let me know what you think of this tour. How much are we paying for this? $29 per night? Okay, $29. She is always exact. If she comes out of my girlfriend's mouth, it is precise. $29 a night. And don't forget to hit the notification bell and subscribe, comment, like, and all that good stuff. Till next time, safe travels. This is an awesome place, and right outside of Bourgogne. I say it like the pizza, but it's not. It's called Bourgogne. Look, man, it's okay that I don't get the name right, but it's called
LIKANI.
Where are we staying, honey?
LIKANI.
Okay, outside of? Please.
Bourgogne.
Bourgogne. Okay, Georgia. Okay. All right, ladies. Safe travels, one love, all day, every day. Okay, bye.